now it is time to install the wheels of the robot. I'll start by unpacking them. From the plastic back. As you can see, the wheels do not have a round hole, but the hole has two flat sides, and so do each of the axles of the motors. So we take one of the wheels, supporting, I would recommend the other side of the axle of the motor, place the wheel and rotate it until it aligns with the two flat sides and slide it in place. It slides quite nice and neat. I recommend to hold the other side of the axle, just not to exert too much stress on the axle. If access is difficult, don't worry. It is not critical since the wheels slide quite easily, but I recommend it just in case we exert too much stress on the motor. I'm surprised how easy the wheels slide on this robot. And the last wheel. So all of the wheels are in place, and traditionally robots at this point were considered to be complete. However, Elegoo has made sure the wheels always stay in place. So they have provided these 4 bolts and 2x25 self-tapping screws. I'll take them from the back. There is even one extra. And I'll start inserting them here in the center of the wheel. Then using the small screwdriver, I'll tighten the wheel in place. This is something that I have seen only Elegoo do, and I highly appreciate it. It allows the robots to keep their wheels no matter how crazy you drive them around. And the last two, insert and carefully tighten with the little screwdriver. The last one. And our robot is ready as shown on this picture. We have nice and shining Elegoo version 4.0 smart car with camera and obviously capable of computer vision among anything else.